Just like any other business out there, laundromats are in existence to make money. They have to pay bills, they have to pay utilities, maintenance, employees, they have to pay for stuff. But in this video, it's for people who own a laundromat or want to make money from laundromat owners. And it goes a little something like this. If you're somebody who has a laundromat and you want to make more money, I'm going to give you the 3 things that you can do. But if you're somebody who doesn't own a laundromat and you want to make money from laundromat owners, you can use these 3 things and sell them to laundromat owners. Meaning if there's a laundromat that doesn't have the 3 things I'm about to name, you can go to them and say, hey, I noticed you guys don't have this. I know where to get it. Let me know if you want it. You can make more money. And people most of the time are going to say yes. Okay. Because the good ones have it. The ones that don't need it. And it's, it's kind of like that, right? Number 1 is a vending machine. As simple as it sounds, there's a lot of laundromats that do not have vending machines. So you simply can go on the Facebook Marketplace and find a vending machine yourself. Whether you're the laundromat owner, you could buy a vending machine off the Facebook Marketplace and have it delivered to your laundromat. Or if you're somebody who wants to make money from laundromat owners, you can go around town and figure out which laundromat doesn't have a vending machine and go and provide that service to them. You can even do it to where you fill up on snacks every other day, every week, or whatever it starts to run out. Or you can make sure that it's always operating. If something breaks, you come and do the maintenance or whatever it takes. My thing is you can just sell the machines to them. So if the machine costs say $2,500, you sell it to them for $3,000, you make $500 just by selling the machine. If you sell to 3 laundromats, you make $1,500 easy. And if you sell 3 laundromats a month, that's $1,500 easy that you made from just finding machines on Facebook Marketplace and then selling it to laundromats that don't have machines. Simple as that. And if you're a laundromat owner, you can go on Facebook Marketplace and get one yourself. 2. It's the wash, dry, and fold business. When it comes to laundromats, the future is already here. The biggest change in the laundromat industry for the last 50 years was that the washers and dryers got fancier and people started using cards. But when it comes to the other innovation, the other thing that's taking the trend that's happening right now is the wash, dry, and fold. If you're a laundromat that doesn't have wash, dry, and fold, you're missing out on money. Meaning wash, dry, and fold is just, instead of people having to come and do the laundry themselves, self-serve, you can have somebody there that will do the laundry for them. So you can have somebody come drop off the clothes, you wash it, you dry it, you fold it, you hang it, and the person comes back and picks it up. You can even have it to where you pick it up from the person's house or office or however you want to do it, right? But the wash, dry, fold business is something that you want to look into because yes, not only is there money to be made, but people are trying to save money and time. Just like how people order DoorDash, even though they have a car right there in front of them. Just like how people, pay for food delivery, even though they have a kitchen 2 feet away from them. It's kind of like that. People just want to save time. People want to save stress. People want to, don't want to do hours of laundry because laundry takes days, weeks, and sometimes even, you go a whole month without doing laundry. So what you can do is you can have the wash, dry, fold service, something that you implement into your laundromat if you don't have it. And if you're somebody that doesn't have a laundromat, you can have the wash, dry, fold service as something that you provide to them. So you can go to a laundromat and say, hey, I noticed you guys don't have to wash, dry, and fold. Is there any ways that it's something that you would want to look into, something you'd be interested in? Because not only does your competitor have wash, dry, and fold, but it doesn't take that much to start up. It doesn't take that much to do. And yes, one of the biggest problems that you're gonna have is storage, but it's actually one of the easiest problems to solve. And I talk about one of my other videos how to do that. But at the end of the day, like I said, you can get paid to provide wash, dry, fold service to people, especially if you provide the service on your own. And say they get a commercial contract with a hotel, you can go and pick up the clothes. You can get paid to deliver. You can get paid, to teach them how to do it. You can teach them how to hire the employees. You can teach them how to make more money. You can get paid for the marketing part of it. Whatever it is, you can get paid off of any part of the wash, dry, and fold because the wash, dry, and fold will make money. And the third and final thing that you want to have in any ATM and any laundromat is the ATM. People are going to want to spend money. When it comes to coin laundromats versus card laundromat, I made a video about it. And the moral of the story is coin laundromats will always win, right? Because people want to come and just be able to just put in 4 quarters and just go. They don't want to pay $5 for a card. They don't want to lose the card and have to come back and lose all their money. And they don't want to go through that process. So at the end of the day, having a coin machine is something that works for you. But one of the things that you could also do is you have an ATM. Because if somebody comes and needs more money out, say for the vending machine, or say they want to buy more, they want to do more laundry, you can have an ATM there that people can take money on. People will even come to a laundromat just for your ATM, especially if it's nearby and close to their home, because the people just need money on demand all the time. Think about all the ATM companies, okay? So if you're a laundromat owner, you can get an ATM inside your store and make money off of it. And then if you're somebody who doesn't own a laundromat, you can make money by providing the ATM to these people. You find an ATM online or you find a cheap one, and then you go and you provide that service to them. You say, hey, here's an ATM for $2,000, and your customers, within 10 years, you're not only going to make your money back, but you're going to be making money from it. It's going to be an extra income that you can have for your business. And people are going to use it. People are going to like it. People are going to love it. So it's one of those things where at the end of the day, you can get paid to simply provide ATMs to people, to provide vending machines to people, to even provide the wash, dry, and fold service. Because there's a lot of people that don't know about these products, and there are people who don't know where to get them, and there are people who just haven't got it yet. So you could be there bridging the gap, getting it for them, teaching them how to get it, or just playing out, showing them what to do so they could do it themselves, So, like I said, those are the 3 things that you can do to pretty much make more money. Add a vending machine, the wash, dry, and fold, and an ATM. That is going to take your laundry business to the next level. It's going to make you more money. It's going to, let you do more things. It's going to get you more customers. Your customers are going to be happy. And at the end of the day, when you win because you make money, and I win because you sat here and watched this video. So thank you.